Also, open enrollment begins tomorrow for health care coverage through the Affordable Care Act. But for millions of Americans, there may be some sticker shock when looking at their monthly rates. KCRG TV9's Keegan Turnbow breaks down the changes that you may face.
More than 100,000 Iowans rely on the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, for health care coverage. But if the federal government doesn't act, the monthly rate for those Iowans could spike by hundreds of dollars.
What am I hearing is, we're scared.
Angela Pecci helps people who are eligible for the Affordable Care Act get services provided by the Crescent Community Health Center in Dubuque. Pecci says every year, more of the patients here use the ACA for health care coverage.
It is very beneficial, and we see more and more people using that because it is affordable and they're not paying out the nose for their insurance premiums.
Federal tax credits help make the premiums more affordable, but those credits are set to expire at the end of the year. The GOP's federal budget bill does not plan to renew those subsidies, while Democrats are fighting to keep them going, resulting in the deadlock government shutdown. If the premiums aren't renewed, the Iowa Insurance Division says rates could increase 12 to 25% for Iowans.
Without those subsidies, people are going to be paying full price, and that can range anywhere, and this is just an estimate, per person, $800 to $1,200 per month for premium. That's huge. That is scary.
Louise Norris with healthinsurance.org says people should take their time picking out a plan.
You do have until December 15th to pick a plan that starts on January 1st. So this isn't something you have to deal with, right away this next week.
Without extending the subsidies, Pecci says millions of Americans will face a tough decision.
Is it rent or is it my health care? And when people don't have their health care, they often are sicker, use the emergency room more, and the quality of life just isn't there.
Once again, open enrollment begins tomorrow and closes on January 15th. If you sign up on the 15th of December, that plan will go into effect on the 1st of January. If you pick up after that, then the plan will go into effect on the 1st of February. In Dubuque, Keegan Turnbow, KCRG TV9 News.